Circle. A circle is a special type of a simple closed curve which is not a polygon as it is not made of line segments. Okay? It is a special type of a simple closed curve जो कि polygon नहीं है क्योंकि ये line segment से नहीं बनता है. There are various terms used with reference to circle. जब हम circle के बारे में बात करते हैं तो कुछ important terms हमें पता होने चाहिए. The related terms are center. The middlemost point in a circle is called the center of the circle. Here in this circle, O is the center, that is the middlemost point. Radius. The line segment drawn from the center to any point on the circle is called its radius. Here in this figure O is the center. इस सर्कल में बीचों बीच में जो पॉइंट है O वो इस सर्कल का सेंटर है. इस पॉइंट से लेकर हम इस पूरे सर्कल में कहीं पर भी कोई भी पॉइंट बनाकर उसे अगर सेंटर से ज्वाइन करते हैं तो वो उस सर्कल का रेडियस होता है. सो रेडियस इज द लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉन फ्रॉम द सेंटर टू एनी पॉइंट ऑन द सर्कल. सो हियर द रेडियस इज ओ ए. A is a point on the circle. Chord. The line segment whose end points lie on the circle is called a chord. In this circle, X and Y are 2 points on the circle. So, XY is a chord because it is a line segment whose end point lie on the circle. Diameter. The chord of the circle which passes through its center is called its diameter. Diameter is the longest chord. Diameter is 2 times the radius of the circle. Here in this figure you will see that C and D are the points on the circle which pass through the center of the circle. So CD is the diameter of the circle और ये इस सर्कल का सबसे लंबा कॉर्ड है. Therefore, in the given figure, O is the center of the circle, OA is the radius of the circle, XY is the chord on the circle, and CD is the diameter of the circle. And 2 times the radius is the diameter, or you can say the diameter is equal to twice the radius. Dear students, in this video we are going to learn about perimeter of various closed figures. What is a perimeter? The perimeter of a simple closed curve made up of line segments is the sum of the lengths of all the line segments. So we can say that perimeter equals to sum of length of all sides. So we will now see the formulas of perimeter of various closed curves. Perimeter of a triangle, here in the figure triangle ABC, the perimeter is sum of all sides, that is AB plus BC plus AC. So the formula for perimeter of a triangle is sum of all sides. So you can add the length of the 3 sides to get the perimeter. ट्रायंगल के तीनों साइड के लेंथ को हम जब ऐड करते हैं तो हमें उस ट्रायंगल का पेरीमीटर पता चलता है. पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ स्क्वायर. इन दिस फिगर square PQRS, we know that perimeter is sum of all sides, that is PQ plus QR plus RS plus PS, that is side plus side plus side plus side. We know that in a square all sides are equal. Square में चारों sides बराबर होते हैं, that is we are adding each side 4 times, right? That is 4 into side, as all the sides are equal in length. So if for example we are adding 5 centimeter, so we will be adding it 4 times, right? 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. That is 5 is added 4 times. So repeated addition is 4 into side, whatever the length of the side is. So perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Now perimeter of a rectangle. In this figure, rectangle ABCD, the longer sides, that is AB and CD, are the length, and the shorter ones AD and BC are the breadth. Okay, so perimeter is sum of all sides, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. That is length plus breadth plus length plus breadth, isn't it? Length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So we can bring back the lengths together and the breadths together. That is length plus length and breadth plus breadth. हम length और length को एक साइड करेंगे और breadth को एक साइड करेंगे. So length is 2 times, that is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. यहाँ पे length हम 2 बार ऐड कर रहे हैं और breadth भी 2 बार ऐड कर रहे हैं. So 2 times the length plus 2 times the breadth. That is 2 into length plus breadth. So इस फॉर्मूला को हम जब शॉर्ट में लिखते हैं, it is 2 times length plus breadth, as the opposite sides are equal. We know that in a rectangle the opposite sides, that is AB and CD, are length which are equal, and AD and BC are breadth which are equal. Therefore perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So dear students, please remember these formulas while calculating the perimeter of a simple closed curve.